Welcome to War India News Hour. Predictive IT improves reliability and controls outages. The rapid evolution of technology across industries has been a double-edged sword. With the technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning, organizations can now do more than respond after the fact and instead take a proactive approach to IT operations. Predictive analytics is the use of advanced analytic techniques that leverage historical data to uncover real-time insights and to predict future events. The use of predictive analytics is a key milestone on your analytics journey, that is, a point of confluence where classical statistical analysis meets the new world of artificial intelligence. Predictive analytics can help you transform the way your business operates by delivering value. But how do you know when is the right time to adopt these practices? The answer is simple. The time is now. Today's unprecedented convergence of intuitive tools, new predictive techniques, and hybrid cloud deployment models make predictive analytics and modeling more accessible than ever before. As per IBM, for the first time, organizations of all sizes can have the tools to embed predictive analytics into their business processes and to harness artificial intelligence at scale. Enterprises now have the power to extract value from previously unexplored dark data, that is, including everything from raw text to geolocational information. If your organization can evolve from departmental small group artificial intelligence projects towards an enterprise data science platform, you stand to gain significant competitive advantage. Those who don't seize the opportunity might risk falling behind the competitors. Let's look into the headlines in War India. Delhivery has helped to import 1,000 oxygen concentrators and more to come. Logistics startup Delhivery has received the first set of 1,000 oxygen concentrators to be distributed to hospitals and organizations in India. 38,444 more will come in with a daily schedule through all of next week, co-founder Sahil Barua added. He further said the Indian embassies in Tel Aviv, Beijing and Shanghai helped the company expedite the clearance process. Delhivery is flying charters into India with oxygen concentrators and other supplies on behalf of Zomato, ACT Grants and other charities. Crypto market cap to double and touch $2.3 trillion in 3 months. The market value of cryptocurrencies has reached around $2.3 trillion mark as per data from CoinMarketCap showed. The total market cap of cryptocurrencies stood at $1.15 trillion on February 5th when Bitcoin was heading towards the $37,800 mark and Ethereum was at $1,724. Bitcoin is now 53% up at $58,000 while Ethereum has climbed 83.8% to reach $3,170 in the past 3 months. Recently, investment banks like Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan started offering their wealthy clients access to Bitcoin funds. SMS malware is targeting users in India for vaccine registration. An SMS worm claiming to help users in India book a slot to get the COVID-19 vaccine is making the rounds. The SMS worm tricks users into downloading a fake COVID-19 vaccination registration app, enabling unauthorized access to restricting access to private accounts and services and exposing personal data. This malware campaign is currently targeting India as per the cyber risk assessment firm Cybil. Teachmint online teaching platform raises $16.5 million in Series A funding. Bengaluru-based online teaching platform Teachmint has raised $16.5 million in its Series A financing round led by California-based venture capital firm Learn Capital. The company is mentored by Mihir Gupta and his team and established in the year 2020. Teachmint enables offline tutors to digitize their classrooms, engage online with existing students as well as reach out to a wider student base. Through this platform, teachers can conduct classes online on their smartphones or in the web too. AWS enters into data management and analytics service with Amazon FinSpace. Amazon's AWS cloud business has launched a new data management and analytics service for the financial sector. Amazon FinSpace is a data management and analytics service purpose-built for the financial services industry. FinSpace reduces the time you spend finding and preparing petabytes of financial data to be ready for analysis for months to minutes. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.